How to download Fortnite in your PC and laptop in 2026. So let's get started. In order to do this, what you have to do is first install Epic Games in your computer. How to install Epic Games in your computer? Just open any web browser you like and search for Epic Games download. Once you do this, click on the first link which appears here and just click on install Windows. This will install an installer for Epic Games. You just have to run the installer and install it in your PC on default location. Once you do this, you'll find this application on your desktop. Just run this application, then Epic Games will be opened. What you have to do is make sure to sign in your account. If you don't have an account, you have to create an account, and if you already have an account, you just have to log in your account. After you do this, just search for Fortnite here and you'll find Fortnite. Just click on this and there would be written add to library. Just add this in your library and this will say like this in library. Just click on this and once you do this, it will ask you to install it. Just click on this and this will ask you where to install Fortnite, and make sure you tick these both boxes and just click on install. And once the installation completes, you will be able to play Fortnite. So yes, this is how you can install Fortnite in your computer and laptop in 2026. If this guide was helpful, make sure to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.